Yun, maraming salamat. Thank you.
To my YouTube channel. This is Kuya Potpot Vlog at meron isang reaction video, no guys, no. Ito yung naging viral dati na challenge, no, sa social media. Ito yung jojowain o totropahin challenge na ipinagawa po ng kaibigang babae po, no, or teacher po nitong dalawang Koreanong estudyante, guys, no. At dito pinapili nila kung jojowain ba o totropahin ang ipapakitang larawan ng mga Kalingap Angels, guys. So, at syempre, bago tayo magsimula, ay mag-shoutout po muna tayo. May galap shoutout po sa ama ng Kalingap na si Kuya Bal Santos Matubang. At end the vlogs, Kalingap Rob, po ng kanyang mga kasamahan. At syempre, may galap shoutout po sa lahat po ng sumusuporta, sa buong Team Kalingap. Isang mapagpalang umaga po, tanghali o gabi, mga Kalingap, saan mang kayong sulok na mundo. Naroon, naway lagi po kayong gabayan ng ating poong may kapal. At ayan, guys, no, simulan na natin ang ating video, guys, no. Panoorin po natin, guys.
For today's video, guys, we are going to do a challenge with... You are going to do a challenge, jojowain and tutropahin. It's a very famous video now in YouTube. Our viewers are requesting you guys to do this challenge. So, tutropahin means is you just want her to be your friend. And jojowain is you want her to be your girlfriend. Okay, let's start first with... Why? How about Rick? Totropahin.
Because she's not my type. I like cool girls.
Okay. Okay, next. Next is... Why?
Because she's around the time. So it's not my type.
Not your type.
Because she's too mature for me. I'm just a high school student.
I think you're just the same age.
What?
Friends India. You're just the same age. I think she's younger than you. Okay, next.
Jojo White.
Why?
Oh, bilis sumagot, ha?
I like to throw. And be considerate about it. Jojo White, yes. I don't know, I'm afraid of her.
You're afraid of her. She looks scary? But she's pretty, right?
She's very pretty.
Okay, next. She's a famous blogger.
Jojo White.
Why?
Because she seems older than me.
Okay.
And I cannot control her.
Oh, that's your type.
I think she's pretty. She smells good.
Okay, next. Next is...
Jojo White.
Why?
I think it's not my type. Jojo White.
Okay, why?
She seems has a dark skin.
Oh, you like fair-skinned girls? Okay. Okay, next.
Jojo White.
Tutropahin? Wow. Why?
Because I don't like her eyes.
You don't like her eyes?
Jojo White.
Okay, next. Tutropahin or jojowain?
It's my time.
Why? She's your type? How about Rick?
Social type is I don't know.
Guys, no, at yan, narinig nyo at nakita nyo ang naging sagot po ng dalawang Koreanong estudyante, no, na kumasa, no, sa Jojowain o Totropahin Challenge, which is talagang nakita, no, at pinakita nga yung mga larawan ng mga Kalingap Angels dito sa bandang dalawang huling angels, no, na ipinakita, no, ay medyo medyo ano yung sagot, no, natuwa yung nagpa-challenge dito, lalong-lalo na nung pinakita yung picture ni Joy Diwata na sabi ni Jason or Juson, totropahin lang niya ang isang katulad ng Joy Diwata, guys. At talagang nakita nyo yung naging reaction po nung nagpa-challenge, no? At si Dre naman, ano lang ang din sinagot niya, napaka-consistent yan ang sagot. At yung pinakahuli, guys, no, nakakatuwa, no, nung pinakita na yung picture ni Beyonce, no? Talagang itong isang Koreanong estudyante ay agad na talagang sinagot niya na jojowain niya, no, ito si Beyonce, guys. Grabe. At talagang kita nyo, no, sa facial expression niya, no, ng Koreanong ito, no, na si Jason or Juson, kita, straight agad yung sagot niya, no, nung ipinakita itong larawan po, no, ni Baby Beyonce, no. At talaga namang napakaganda ng kanya naging sagot dito. At ako'y natutuwa, no, sa naging challenge po, no, para po sa dalawang Koreanong estudyante na talagang ibig sabihin rin sila, no, dito familiar din sila dito, no, na dito sa Kalingap, no, at talagang napakaganda ng mga naging sagot po ng dalawa, no, at lalong-lalo na nung huling ipinakita itong larawan po ni Beyonce na talagang kita nyo naman ang naging reaksyon ng isang estudyanteng Koreano na si Jason or Juson. Ang sagot niya, no, sa challenge na kinasahan niya ay jojowain niya itong si Baby Beyonce dahil napakaganda nga daw po ng babaeng ito o ni Baby Beyonce, guys. So ayan, hanggang dito na lang ang ating maikling reaction video at nakatutuwa ako, guys, na talagang very famous na itong Kalingap Angels, no, na binuo po ng Team Kalingap. At nakita nyo naman, no, ginawa na ng reaction video sa pamamagitan po ng itong challenge na pinagawa po sa dalawang Korean students na naging popular din, no, dati itong totropahin or jojowain challenge, guys. So hanggang dito na lang ang ating maikling reaction video. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli po nating reaction.
There's a vlogger named Kuya Papa, spreading good vibes, giving all he's got. With the camera in his hand, he hits the road, capture moments, sharing stories untold. Kuya Papa, he's the one we adore. Bring smiles, he's got so much more. In this crazy world, he is a ray